is time for the Skyline Trail adventure. Adventure. We're adventuring into the park. Actually, here's the park. Here's the information building. Okay, Breton Highlands National Park, getting some education.
It's whose poop is it?
Okay, that's good to know.
All right, so who do you think it is? This guy. That's the front and the back.
Bear?
No, that's a bear?
Oh, sorry. I don't know, Mel. Oh, I see.
It's a bobcat.
A
Or lynx.
I see how this works.
Yeah,
And there's a bear.
That's black bear.
They only have black bears here. That's a lot of poop. What is this? Oh, is this the moose?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We saw that definitely in Glacier.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Don't know. It's kind of grossing me out, so let's flip. The coyote. And there's your poop.
There you go. So when you're out on the trail and you see different kinds, you'll know which animal
might be coming up.
Right.
To be a little more cautious. Yeah. Good deal. Good information. So this is the Cape Breton Highlands Information Center. Nice little spot. We're waiting to get some information on the Skyline Trail. So yeah, this is very nice. Look at this bald eagle. Has a wingspan up to 2.3 meters. Has a top speed of 120 to 160 kilometers. Prefers eating fresh fish. I'd say he's got a lot of options here. Very nice. Heading in. The beautiful Cabot Trail. On the Skyline Trail. Years ago I was reading an article about it and I thought I need to go there, and here we are.
Yes, here we go.
These three sidekicks are gonna trek it on up for an amazing sunset. Oh, no dogs, no drones. I hope we see a moose. That'll be great. All right, here's our trek.
No, you're good. Go ahead.
We're starting here, going all the way up. What's this? Oh, what is that?
It's explorators
and dentine. That was weird. That makes me sad, but I understand. No dogs. Here we go. Look at these trees, Mel. This is beautiful. You really get a strong smell of pine. So nice. Christmas trees. Little trees. Big trees.
A lot of things to be cautioned on. Bears.
Yep.
Moose. Coyote. Steep terrain. High winds. No dogs. No bikes. No drones.
Perfect. And here we are. This is what we're doing. Beautiful Skyline Trail.
Yeah. We are here. Are we doing a big loopy loop?
I don't know. I think we have options
Right.
on whether we want to.
Oh, and there's a toilet.
Yeah.
So there is a bathroom out there. That's nice.
Yeah.
So a lot of sightseeing
So we're
spots.
starting here. This
Right
is the
here.
parking lot we just came from.
Yeah.
Look how beautiful this is. My goodness. Gosh. This trail looks amazing.
It does look amazing. Makes you want to run.
Yahoo! We finally made it. You know, Steve thinks, I'm going to do that someday. And here we are finally doing it someday. I think, if anything, we just want to encourage people to do the same thing. Get out, explore,
Let's do this.
see the beautiful world we're in.
Start your engine. Nice trail. Nice
Saunter along a trail somewhere.
It's nice and clean.
Connect with nature. Hang out with your buddies.
Right, your sidekicks.
Wait for the other sidekick.
One day.
It's a great day for a hike.
Yeah, weather's perfect.
It's beautiful.
It's going to be a little colder.
The smell of pine.
Yeah.
It's just incredible. It is intense.
Yeah, here's your loop. We did that right.
You want to go right?
Let's go ahead. But either way, this is where you go around and go walk down. It's just so, the terrain's so beautiful.
You're up here above the clouds.
Well, you don't hear any cars. I mean, it's beautiful, it's nice. Just complete nature.
Great day to be hiking. Sunshine, maybe an awesome sunset.
Perfect time to be sauntering. Sauntering on the Skyline Trail in Cape Breton Highland National Park.
Wow, it's all time. It's so good.
What a beautiful day. Looks like the sky wants to open up in the back. We will see it. Oh, I think we're coming up on our little fence where we're gonna cross in. So far, so good. It's beautiful. This trail's very nice. Wide, clean, maintained, easy to walk on. Love it. It's a little heavy and walking through, just gotta be a little more careful of the wildlife though, make a little more noise. For sure. Love this trail. Definitely is opening up, that's nice. The distance out there is all ocean. Which we were just out there a little while ago on our whale tour. But yeah, it's all ocean. Beautiful. You have the reflection of the sun over there on the water.
So gorgeous.
Yeah, on the ocean.
This is a gorgeous trail. I mean, it's just almost more than your eyes can take in. And those are not clouds out there, that's ocean. I think that's one of the things that makes this park so unique, is the mix of ocean and the mountains.
Oh, it's very fun smelling.
Yeah.
Wow.
Really pretty purple flowers.
Yeah.
So pretty. Alright. We're about a mile and a half in. Not too bad, but it is in our favor right now, going downhill. Can't wait to get to that overlook. Do you remember how far in it has to be for the overlook?
I think it's 2 miles total in,
Okay,
and 2 out,
gotcha.
a little over 2.
So yeah, half a mile before we get there. Alright. We will continue on our sauntering. Don't let it fool you. It is not the sky.
Not there yet.
No, but
You'll be soon.
yeah. We're getting closer, but I'm saying is that blue there is not the sky, it's the ocean.
Yeah.
Still kicking it on our trail. We're right around 2 miles. When we came on the trail, we took the split to the right. So we're circling around over to the area where we actually can walk down and actually see the overlook a lot better than we can from here. So I think we're getting close. Still haven't made it to the toilets or the other turnoff to go down closer for the view. I have a feeling we're getting closer though, just for the fact that it's opening up more. Wow.
It is amazing how calm the water is right now.
Yeah. Very nice. Appreciating the sun behind the clouds for a moment. Keeping it a little bit cooler. Alright, right here, we went this way. And now we made it here, and we're going to walk down to the overlook, and then we're going to walk back this way. So yeah, we're at this point. It's pretty well shown with signs. So there is a ramp for people that may have trouble. And then, of course, you take the stairs. But yeah, we are going to go on down and take a look at this beautiful Skyline overlook. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
Check it out.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, you should be. We did it. Rope to hang on to. It's really soft. Doesn't hurt your hands. Man, gorgeous. We can go down even further. Oh, I'm okay here. Alright, looks like my mates and I. Hey! Looks like my mates want to go on down. Woo. Yeah, beautiful. This is the Skyline Trail at Cape Breton Highland National Park. It is worth the hike. Alright, we are leaving. See you later, Skyline. See you later. It was beautiful. Working our way back up to get back onto the trail. It's supposed to be an hour back. Look at all these trees, it's beautiful. Taking a ramp. Ramping it. Ramp it, girl. Alright, we're back to the trail. To the loop. We're going to continue on. We got the longer part out of the way on the first part. And here we go.
So once you leave the Skyline Trail, just so you know, just a few steps up, coming straight up, there is a pit toilet. It does not smell fresh, but most pit toilets don't, so that shouldn't be a surprise. But there is a bathroom. Then you just continue on.
Here, Moose. Here, Moosey. Come on. That's right, Cabot Trail out in the distance. Definitely different trees on this side of the trail, on this side of the loop. It's amazing. Loving this Skyline Trail. If you can get out to Cape Breton Highland National Park, I highly, highly, highly recommend doing this trail. You can either do it for the sunrise, sunset, or even just during the day. Doesn't matter when you go, it is beautiful. This is nice.
This is very nice.
Easy to walk on. Yeah, I like this.
I'm glad we didn't do this side first because we'd have thought we'd already arrived.
Right? Digging all these trees. And the smooth trail. I do like how they make these little things to divert the water and then put a little step over it. Very cool. It is just a gradual incline.
Which is weird because Skyline seems like the highest point.
We did a lot of up and down the other way. Yeah. Alright, well, if you take the split to the right coming in, going down to the Skyline view, you don't have to go through the fence here. But coming back, we decided to go back the way we didn't come. And here is the moose exclosure. So so I'm not sure which way we're keeping them. Are they on this side or this side? But anyways, here's the gate. Yeah.
Designed to keep the moose
Either.
on one side of the fence. I think we're going into.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a trees.
Okay. So they're definitely not on this side.
No, I think it's this side that's supposed to be
Moose free. So inside the fence is moose free to help get the smaller trees to grow. All right. So we will have to exit another one in a little bit. All right. In the distance, you can see the other fence. So it's a very short passageway that's protected from the moose. So as soon as we go over there, we'll show you the gate for it as well. We're coming up on the exit gate. So yeah, just a very short distance through here, through the exclusion of moose.
Keep out moose.
That's right. So there we go. Thank you, sidekick. All right, we made it. All right. I feel like it's flattening out a little bit, which is kind of nice. Be able to pick up a little speed, which I'm appreciating.
Where are you?
They're hiding. Here's another protected area. On the moose lookout. Have not seen one since we've been up here in Nova Scotia. I was really hoping we were able to see one, but I did hear that you have a better chance of seeing a moose first thing in the morning. This trail is very pleasant, even though there is some inclines and a little long. It's still worth it, and I would do it again. Anybody that's able and can, I would really recommend coming out here and doing this trail. It is definitely worth your time. Our goal is to get to the car and get partially down Cabot Road or Trail Road. There's a couple pull-offs that overlook the ocean where we can get the sunset. So hopefully our thought process and our planning pays off and it all works out the way it needs to. We've got, let's see, it's 6:20. We got another 30 minutes. We should be back to our car before then. So I think we're gonna time it just right. All right, so we've completed the loop. So we made it to the loop. Let's knock it out. Let's go, sidekicks. Back to the last stretch. Super excited. Able to pick up my pace. We're going downhill, which is definitely in my favor. And we're gonna see that sunset. The trail's beautiful. Temperature's perfect, not too hot, not too cold. I'm able to wear a long sleeve shirt and a flannel shirt, and it's perfect. I'm actually a pinch warm, but I'm okay with that because I know once I stop walking, I will get my cool down on. Here we go, coming towards the end. We just have one little last stretch to go after this. We're getting close. All right, here we go. It's a nice wide path. Takes us back to the parking lot. I see cars in the distance.
We did it.
We did do it.
Done.
Yes.
Mission accomplished. Peace
Skyline.
out. The best.
Off the list.
Yes.
Definitely would recommend it to
Let's
anybody.
go eat. Let's go eat
Yes.
and drink.
Earned our pizza. Yes.
It's a great way to end our day 8.
This beautiful sunset. They will never know the beauty of this place. See the seasons change, enjoy nature's chorus. All we know we owe to them, men and women who lie buried in the earth of foreign lands and in the 7 seas, dedicated to the memory of Canadians who died overseas in the service of their country and so preserved our heritage. It's very nice. So this is a nice memorial. Beautiful sunsets every night. Seasons passing. Soon to be winter. You just feel it in the air.
I know it's windy, but this has been a marvelous day. We had whales and trails with the Skyline Trail. And now we're ending it off the Cabot Trail here, the famous scenic thruway. Watching the sunset. It has been a glorious day. How could you not be grateful for every moment? For a hike?
Eat pizza.
A pizza. We're open. Patio. No thanks. Labos. We're gonna give it a try. Labos Pizza. What to do when you're starving.